Atlas V rocket.
The Landsat program is a series of Earth observation satellite missions jointly managed by NASA and the US Geological Survey. All the Landsat satellites are sun-synchronized satellites. Landsat has huge storage for collect data. Landsat imagery used for huge GIS application as urban expansion, deforestation, melting glacier, and disaster phenomena like flooding, wildfire, and coastal changes. Dynamic shoreline analysis affects several criteria. It also used in coastal engineering, coastal zone management. In addition, it can be used for tourism industries, coastal ecosystem management, coastal mineral resources studies, identify longshore current patterns, and archaeological studies. The coastal belt of southern and eastern Sri Lanka face short-term to long-term coastal geomorphological changes. For example, coastal erosion causes negative impacts on human day-to-day life. Therefore, the understanding of coastal geomorphological changes helps for getting a conceptual decision on coastal zone management and designing the coastal engineering structures such as breakwaters, groins, and harbors. The length of the study area is 1043 km that include 4 coastal provinces. The total study area is divided into 4 zones for study convenience. Each zone consists of different subsets. Top of atmospheric reflectance selected from Landsat series, 87 were selected from Landsat 7, 160 were selected from Landsat 5, 156 were selected from Landsat 8. Landsat satellite transmit data from the satellite to ground station. These ground stations always direct to the Landsat satellite. The ground station receives the data as a binary code. These data are stored in the USGS cloud. Total atmospheric data classified into Tier 1 and Tier 2 using root mean square error. Tier 1 is a high quality data and Tier 2 is relatively low quality data. After Tier 1 of total atmospheric data convert to Tier 2 surface reflected data. JavaScript dynamic shoreline processing model built by authors. These models are able to extract shoreline from surface reflectance data. Green band and medium red band are primary inputs and cloud band is secondary input of JavaScript models. ACM and MCM shoreline are primary outputs. ACM and MCM shoreline further proceeds to the digital shoreline analysis system. The digital shoreline analysis system is a software that is able to analyze the rate of changes on coastal belt. It is an add-on with ArcMap. Result of the digital shoreline analysis system is our study area indicate significant coastal change occurred at Karainagar zone. The maximum erosion recorded 50.36 meter in this 10, 1.72 meter per year in rate. Maximum accretion recorded 110.35 meter in this 10, 6.71 meter per year in rate. At Nantikadal Lagoon area, the maximum erosion recorded 61.29 meter in this 10, 3.13 meter per year in rate. Maximum accretion recorded 6.67 meter in this 10, 2.0 meter per year in rate. At Sinna Karachi Lagoon area, the maximum erosion recorded 218.74 meter in this 10, 9.35 meter per year in rate. Maximum accretion recorded 375.56 meter in this 10, 11.85 meter per year in rate. At Kodiyar Bay zone, the maximum erosion recorded 200 36.21 meter in this 10, 18.94 meter per year in rate. Maximum acceleration recorded 191.66 meter in this 10, 11.95 meter per year in rate. At Batticola Barmouth, the maximum erosion recorded 53.96 meter in this 10, 6.27 meter per year in rate. Maximum accretion recorded 575.2 meter in this 10, 9.66 meter per year in rate. At Oroville Harbour Zone, the maximum erosion recorded 330.74 meter in this 10, 14.15 meter per year in rate. Maximum acceleration recorded 364.97 meter in this 10, 24.80 meter per year in rate. At Unawatuna Beach Zone, the maximum acceleration recorded 65.56 meter in this 10, 5.01 meter per year in rate. At Kaido Beach Zone, the maximum erosion recorded 472.92 meter in this 10, 11.49 meter per year in rate. Maximum acceleration recorded 176.99 meter in this 10, 10.88 meter per year in rate.